thoughts on our performance? Is it going to be good, bad?
Yeah, dude, it's gonna be great. Yeah.
All right. Ichi, how do you feel like we're going to do today?
Robotics is 1% CAD, 1% code, and 98% gambling. And
It's open.
I got this! What are your thoughts after our first practice game?
it went worse than I thought it would.
What can we improve?
We can improve on connecting controllers to robots.
Okay.
We can.
You should make this. Yo, guys. I think we're in the How many points are